The Continue Digitizing tool in Wilcom software lets you resume or extend an existing object without starting over. Continue Digitizing helps you create smoother joins, maintain consistent properties, and work faster without breaking objects apart. There are two main use cases. After completing an object, simply select it and click Continue Digitizing. By default, digitizing continues from the exit point. Right-click the tool to continue from the entry point instead. Press Enter to complete the object, or press Escape to cancel. This is ideal for extending satin columns, outlines, or block-digitized objects while keeping everything as a single editable object. You can also select the tool first, then hover over either end of an object. When the plus symbol appears, click to continue digitizing. Again, press Enter to complete the object. For more information about Continue Digitizing, refer to the latest product help, or simply point to the tool in your software and press F1. Thanks for watching.